Jai everyone. So today we are going to learn the topic that is statistics. That is very much important compared to class 9, 10. In class 10, you can expect the 8 marks question that is going to come in the examination. So in this question, as we are able to see here, I am going to find out the direct mean method, every mean method, and stem deviation method, mean method. In all the classes, I have taken the same classes, same frequency. And today I am going to tell you whatever the important question that is going to come in your examination. So let's start. As we are able to see a class interval frequency, class mark, and we see a FI, XI. Like this column we should create in case of direct mean methods. Carefully see this column. This one is known as class interval. There are lower interval. This is known as lower limit. This one is known as upper limit. Are you able to see this graph? Okay. Now this is the frequency. Frequency means how many times it occurs. As we are able to see 0 to 10, it is 10. Now let us start with the class mark. What do you mean by class mark? Class mark means lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So 0 plus 10, lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Now let us calculate. For example, lower limit is in the first class, it is lower limit is 0, upper limit is 10. Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. 0 plus 10, 10 by 2. What will be your answer? That is your 5. So now what I should write here? 5. Similarly, lower limit plus upper limit. Always remember, this side is known as lower limit and this side is known as your upper limit. Now, so 10 plus 20, 10 plus 20, 30. 30 divided by 2, that will be your 15. So now let us start. Here we will fill up the column, that is your 50. Next is your 20 plus 30. 20 plus 30, if I calculate, it will be 50. 50 plus 2 divided by 25. In this case, similarly, I will get 35. Where I am going to get here 45. Where I am going to get here 55. And if I divide here, I will going to get here 65. These are the values that I will get. Next, that is where FI, XI. Now, sir, why we are able to find out? Why it is a need to find out FI, XI? Because the formula of the direct mean method is x bar. It is represented by x bar. X bar, the formula is summation of FI, XI divided by summation of FI. This formula I need to do. So FI, XI means frequency and second XI. That I am going to multiply first. So FI, XI. Take 5 plus here. If I multiply, I am going to get here 50. Next, this two number I will multiply and simultaneously. Now I request my students to multiply this 15 into 15. What the value you are getting? Yes, tell me. 225. Okay. 25 into 25. 625. Very good. Next, 25 into 35. 875. Very good. Next, 10 into 45. 450. Super. Next, 10 into 55. 550. Next, 5 into 65. 325. Very good. Up to here I completed. Now, this all the multiplication part I have completed. Now, next, this is summation of FI, XI. This summation. Summation with this total column I will add. As we are able to see, this total number I am going to add it. Summation. As we are able to see here, the M it is written on the left side. M, like this symbol, it is known as summation. Summation means all the value I am going to add it. So FI, XI. If I add all this value, then what the value I am going to get here? 3100. Very good. So in that case, now see, now let us start solving our formula. So let us start. So summation of FI, XI. If I add total, how much I am going to get? 3100. Very good. Divided by summation of FI. Summation of FI means this total. FI, I will be able to see here. I add this total. After adding, how much I am going to get here? FI? Yes? 100. Very good. 100. Now let me solve that. 0, 0 cancel. 0, 0 cancel. What is the value that I am going to get here? 31. So what is the mean value that I am going to get here? 31. Okay. Now let us move to the next step. That is every mean method. By second mean method, second table also we are able to get the same answer or not. Let us start. 0 plus 10. As I already told you, class mark how to find it out. 0 plus lower limit plus upper limit by 2. 0 plus 10. 10 divided by 2. That will come with 5. So it will do same. 5, 15, 25. Next is 35. Next 45. Next 55. Next is 65. These are the values that is going to come in the class mark. As we have discussed in this table. The class mark is going to be the same. Next, we are going to find out the D. D is equal to XI minus A. Now, sir, what is the meaning of the D? D means deviation. How to calculate the deviation? That is XI minus A. XI. Only what is the XI? XI means first. This one makes a very good. Next, X2. Next, X3. X4. These two times we are taking XI. Now, let us calculate. D is equal to XI minus A. XI is what? 5. So here I will do 5 minus A value. Now sir, what do you mean by A? So A means assume mean. What is it? A means assume mean. Now assume mean, how to calculate that? So it is entire number. We will calculate which number is in the middle. We are going to check. Now in this number, which one is the middle? So let us fix it out. This number we can fix it out. What I mean to say that in this entire number is there, one number we need to select as the A value. Any one we can select. Which number we can select? For example, can we select 25? Yes? Okay, so let us select the 25. So value of A that we have selected as 25. So this if I select here 25, correct? Up to here selected. Now 5 minus 25. What is the first value of B?
50.
Yes, how much you got? Minus 13. Okay. Or we try to solve that. As well as this value A I got here. Or if B minus 20. Then what is the answer that you are going to get here? Yes? Minus 20. Very good. Minus 20. Now the second case. Here xi. Xi value how much? 25. Correct? Now I am going to minus 25 minus 25. What will be the answer? 0. Okay, very good. Next. Here, Here it will be 15 minus 25. Any doubt? Here it will be 15. So I am going to do here 15 minus 25. 15 minus 25. What is the answer? Minus 10. Very good. Minus 10. Now you similarly there in this condition. 25 minus 25. This value I will fix as A. Understanding any one value in between I can fix as A. Either I can fix this one also, either it can fix this one also. Everyone is clear with that? Okay, now let us calculate this. 25 minus 25, 0. Now let us calculate this one. What is the value of xi? 35. So 35 minus 25. Because A value is fixed every time. I consider as a middle. That is where 25. 35 minus 25, 10. Very good. In the same way here I will solve. 45 minus 25. 45 minus 25, 20. Very good. Next in this condition. 55 minus 25. Very good. Super. Where next? 65 minus 25. 40. Up here clear everyone? No doubt in that? Okay. Now next value. That is Fi di. Now Fi will what? This column. And di will this one. So I am going to multiply 10 into 2 minus 20. 10 into minus 20. Minus 200. Very good. Next. So 10 into minus this one. Minus 150. Very good. Next. 25 into 0. 0. Very good. 25 into 10. 250. Very good. Because it will be positive, because here it is positive. Here it is negative, due to that I am going to get negative answer. Yes, 20 BPL. 200. Very good. Next, 30 into 10. 300. Very good. Next, 40 into 5. 200. Very good. Up here, clear everyone? Okay. Now let us proceed to the next. That is written over there. Which formula that we are going to apply here? Assuming mean method. Every means what? It is written A plus summation of Fi di divided by summation of Fi. Now A. What do you mean by A? What I selected the E in this? 25. How I selected the A? Any value that is class 1 that is in middle that you can select. It is not necessary that we should select 25 only. In this number, how I selected the 20, it is as we are able to see here. Here it can be 35 also, that in between you can select. Now let us try to calculate that. A value. How much we selected here? A value 25 plus. Now let's calculate Fi di. Summation of Fi di. Summation of Fi di means this total number I will add. Can you please add and tell me what is the answer? Yes? 600. Did you calculate it correct? Only one more process. Please try to calculate that. Also calculate the summation of Fi di. With this total number I will add it.
It's 857.
Everyone is getting 600? Okay, very good. Now divided by 600. Divided by summation of Fi. Summation of Fi means what? So Fi value total add. If I add total Fi value, how much I am going to get the answer? Already in this condition we calculated. How much we got? 100. So definitely in this calculator we will calculate how much we are going to get here. 100. Clear everyone? Up here no doubt? Okay, now let's cancel. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. Now here, how much I got? 25 plus 25 plus 6. 25 plus 6. How much I have got the answer? 41. As we are able to see, direct method either the answer 41. Left, every method either the answer 31. Both the condition either the same answer. Now let's proceed to the next. That is where step deviation method. Step deviation method. 0 to 10 it is written over there. Now in this class mark, can you able to tell me what will be the answer?
5.
Correct, very good. Class mark. That will be your 5. Here it will be 15. Here it will be 25 because already we calculated in this table, correct? Now here 30 plus 45, 35, 45, 55, next year 65. Here, up here, no doubt. Now next, A, B is equal to xi minus A. Again, it can be the same thing. Already we have done, correct? Now, you know how to calculate that? Minus 20, what answer here got? Minus 10, 0, 10, 20, 30, and 40. In this condition also, actually it is another process, but also we are going to get the same answer. In this condition, what assume that we have taken that? 25 is taken as A. Up here, clear everyone? Now, let's calculate U. U, how to calculate D by H. Now, what is the value of D? Minus 20. And what is the value of H? Now, what do we add? H means range. How to calculate the range? Range formula is upper limit minus lower limit. 10 minus 0, 10. Now, in the second question, 20 minus 10, 10. 30 minus 20, 10. So, this is known as range. The range everywhere it is going to be same. Now, let's calculate. U is equal to D by H. Now, yes?
I understand how it is.
Very good. Now let us check that. U is equal to, what is the value of D? What is the value of D? Minus 20. Minus 20 divided by, what is the gap where I am getting here? 10. Yes, 10. Upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is always right side and lower limit is left side. So it will be T minus 0, 10. So if I divide by 10, one answer I will get 0 answer. One answer will get minus 2. Next answer I will get minus 10 by minus 10 by 10. Minus 10 by 10. One answer got minus 1. 0 by 10. 0. 10 by 10, 1. 20 by 10, 2. 30 by 10, 3. 40 by 10, 4. Up to the clear everyone. How I find over here? Okay, very good. Next column is the FIUI. FIUI. Now how to calculate? FI with what? First. Actually the AI is not a variable. FI is first. This UI first. Now I will do minus 2 into 10. Minus 10 into 10. What value is that when? Minus 20. Very good. Next. 15 into 1. Minus 15. Very good. Next. So 35 into 0. 0. Very good. Next. 25. Very good. Next. 10 into 2. 20. Very good. Next. 10 into 3. 30. Very good. Super. Next. 5 into 4. 20. Up here, clear everyone? Understand? Okay. Now let's take a value. This is going to be A plus summation of FI1 divided by FI into H. Now let us formula A. What is the value of A? What will we consider that? 25. So I will write here 25 plus. It is written over. Let us do FIUI summation. Here it came summation FIUI. Now FI means what? FIUI. It is where summation is total I will add. Now I request everyone to add this total and 10 will answer. How much answer you got? 60. Correct? Everyone added that. How much answer will get here? 60. Very good. 60 divided by. What is this? Summation FI. Very good. Now summation FI. FI is where? Summation is total add. Total adding. How much I get? 100. Very good. Up here clear everyone? 100. Into H. Are you able to see here? H. Now H is what? Range. Range also calculate upper limit minus lower limit. How much I get here? 10. Here? 10. Here? 10. Everywhere I want to get the answer? 10. Now here what I will do? Into 10. Now I am going to solve this. 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. So here how much I am getting answer? 25 plus 6. 25 plus 6. How much answer I get? 31. As we are able to see here, in direct limit method 31, tabulative method 31, and step deviation method, how much I got here? 31. In all the cases I got the exact same answer, as you are able to see. Correct or not? So everyone is able to understand? Okay. Now up to here we completed. Now is there any doubt till now? Well, okay. Now second line of the way. Okay. Now let us proceed to the next. That is weird. Okay, I think this question is not about it, so let me try here whether we are able to solve it or not. Okay, next is your, as you are, let us proceed this side. It is written over there median. Now in this class it is written over there median, correct? In median how to find out? Oh sorry, let me take the frequency. Frequency in the question paper, two things it is going to be given the same thing. Now 0 to 5, it is given in the question, don't worry. 10, 15, 25, 25, 10, 10, 5. Up to here everyone? Up to here it will be given in the question paper. Now let us calculate the next. Cumulative frequency. Now cumulative. See, this is known as F. This is known as frequency. Next is known as CF. CF is cumulative frequency. How to calculate the cumulative frequency? First I will write 10. Now 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5. How much? 25. Next 25 plus 25. 50. Very good. 50 plus 25. 75. Very good. 75 plus 10. 85. Very good. 85 plus 10. 95. 95 plus 10. 100. Are you able to see here? I got the answer up to there. Now till that any doubt? Okay, now up to here we have completed. Now let us calculate. We need to calculate the median. Now median how to calculate. So first we need to find out n by 2. Now sir, what do you know n? N is always remember total how many frequency are there, total frequency. If I add total, what the value I am going to get? 100, very good. So here I will do 100 divided by 2. 100 divided by 2, 200 to 250. What the value I get here? 50. Up to here everyone? Now 50. Now in the cumulative frequency, where is the 50? Cumulative frequency here, correct or not? Now beside, now this 50. Up here to here everyone? Everyone is clear with that? Cumulative frequency I got here? 50. Now 50, now what I will do, I will make here circle. Understand? Now I need to select the lower limit. Now in the same table you check. Lower limit, I told you, left side is lower limit, right side is upper limit. Lower limit is how much? 20. Very good. Understand all of you? In this side I told you, lower limit, this side is my upper limit. Lower limit is how much? 20. Well, let us put the formula, let us check. N is 20. Everyone is able to understand? There is how I calculated, first I divided, I got the 50. Now suppose sir, I didn't get the correct answer. What I need to do? You can take either equal to 50 or otherwise more than 50. Suppose in place of this, suppose it came, suppose 49. Then also you would take 50 only. More than value you should check. Now where I got? Now n value. What is the n value I got here? 50. N by 2. N by 2 how much I am calculating here? Now okay, if you are getting confused, let me write here step by step. Here it's 100 by 2 minus cumulative frequency. What is the cumulative frequency we got? 50. Understanding? Now I got here 50 divided by now frequency. Now frequency then how to check? Just add up to where understand? Sorry for the disturbance. Now up to where you understood, divided the number I get here. Up to where not? Now next value I need to select here CF. CF means cumulative frequency. How to select the cumulative frequency? So always remember where I got the middle value, just above the number I will check. Here I got the 50, just above the number. What is the number? 25. Now 25 is my CF. 25 is going to be my CF. When I got divided, I got a 50, just above the number that is here, 25. So 25 I will write as a CF. Divided by frequency. Now frequency how to calculate? So adjacent of this number. Then I got here 25. Up to here into h. Now h already we consider h means what? Height. Upper limit minus lower limit. What is the gap here? Sorry, gap here 20 minus 10. 10. 30 minus 20, 10. 40 minus 30, 10. 50 minus 40, 10. So I will write it into 10. Up to here. Now 20 plus. If I am going to solve it, this I found that is 20, 50. Here minus 25 divided by 25 into 10. Clear? Now after solving, how much I will get the answer here? So I will write here 20 plus. Here if I minus, I will get 25 by 25 into 10. Clear? Now after solving, at last, what is the answer that I am going to get?
30.
Yes, 30. Because 25 is going to be cancelled, and 1 10 are 10, and 10 plus 20, 30. So what is the value of the median? 30. So in your examination, it will come, you could follow in this way. Copy your understanding? Okay, this is the process to find out the median. Now let us proceed to the next, that is your mode. How to calculate the mode? Now all of you, I think that board as will already see. What happens? Let us try that whether, okay, shall I rub this?
That answer now.
Yes?
Last.
It is correct here. 25, cancel. 1 into 10, 10. 10 plus 20. Okay, if you are not let me tell. 20 plus 10. Understand it? 25, cancel. 10 plus 20, 30. Clear? Okay, now let us start that. Summation. Now let me complete. Okay, let me rub this part so that we can explain another where it is written over there. Now let us calculate the whole part. Now where it is the formula, it is written over there. N plus summation of Fi. It is where Fi minus F naught divided by 2 Fi minus F naught minus F2, it is written over there. Now how to calculate the mode? For finding out the mode, what you need to do? Here I didn't write the value of the frequency. Now let us start frequency. Here it is written 10. So first I will write 10. Next, already in the question paper it will be given that on the cumulative frequency. 10, 15, 25, 25, 10, 10, 5. Okay. In the question paper they will mention this data. After that data only we need to select that. Up to the clear? Now after that we need to select it. Now how to select this number? Now the process remains same. So first